Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to talk about this beautiful 2019 Maxima Platinum. The Platinum is the range-topping trim level for the Maxima, featuring just about almost every available option you can get in 2019 in the Maxima. The Maxima is also Nissan's flagship luxury sedan. It's their biggest, most luxurious, most opulent sedan. And the Maxima has been in the Nissan product line for a long time. It combines great fit and finish, luxury amenities, and performance with a 300 horsepower V6, an Xtronic transmission. This thing is really fun to drive, as well as it will pamper you and keep you nice and comfortable on your daily commute. Beautiful leather interior. I love the diamond quilting on the seats. Big panoramic roof. So you have a roof panel for the rear seat passengers. Then you have one that opens for the front. Then you have power sunshades to dim things down if it gets too bright. But we'll leave those open for now, since we're in the shade. Heated and air-conditioned front seats, power front seats, navigation system. And we have a 360-degree around view camera, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, nice flat bottom leather-wrapped steering wheel, feels wonderful in your hands. We have 22,964 miles, lots of driver's assistance, adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, blind spot intervention, intelligent lane intervention. Really makes your life and stop and go traffic a lot easier, especially with that adaptive cruise control. Being a large, spacious sedan, it's comfortable for the front seat occupants, and the rear seat occupants. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. Still have plenty of headroom and legroom back here. Nice and comfortable. Love having that roof panel, glass roof panel. Look at those beautiful blue skies. USB-C and regular USB connectivity. Nice color combination in silver and black. We recently acquired this one off lease. Also, you have a very large trunk, another dividend of having a larger sedan. Really cool styling. I like the quad X-ing exhaust. You have a trunk mounted spoiler. Nice big wheel and tire package. Nissan did a great job styling the Maxima. The front end styling is really nice as well. They have HID lights, so have a nice LED daytime running strip. And for an engine, one of the best aspects of the Maxima is the engine. The award-winning VQ series engine. We've used this engine a lot in our own products on Infinitis for years. We still use this in some of our brand new products. I own two Infinitis myself, a variation to these engines. I've been with Infiniti 18 years, 2 years at Nissan, so combined about 20 years. I've seen lots of these engines with lots of miles on them, and they're just great. I've seen plenty of them of 200 and 300,000 miles still running strong. You have maintenance-free timing chains, so you never need to worry about the cost replacement of timing belts. Those timing chains are zero maintenance and are designed to last the service life of the engine, which incidentally is 300,000 miles. So the Maxima is a great luxurious vehicle that's built to last. Wonderful creature comforts, beautiful styling. Come in, check it out. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.